guys, welcome back to our channel Glittery Vibes. In case you haven't subscribed, then please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So today we'll see how to make a candle holder. So let's get started. So first, all we're gonna do is take some portion of clay and start making a ball kind of structure out of it. Make a smooth wall by just rolling it. After a smooth ball kind of structure has been made, then slightly just flatten it with the smooth texture. Then start preparing the shape of a holder kind of structure as shown in the video. Make sure you make the shape very gently so that it gets a perfect shape. And here it's a rough shape of it. Then shape it well. And then we'll take some water and smoothen the sides or the edges of the mold, and then allow it to dry. Then prepare some Fevicol and water mixture. Mix it well. And then just apply it all over the holder. And then just sprinkle some glitter powder over it and decorate it according to your choice. Make sure you use the glitter powder generously and in sufficient amount, and cover the holder completely. And invert it so the extra glitter will just come off. Continue decorating it. The whole holder has been covered and decorated with the glitter, and here it's ready. And here I am adding some artificial stones into it so that the candle could stand easily and not fall off. And here it's ready. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel Glittery Vibes. We will be back super soon with another rocking video. Until then, stay tuned and keep glittering. Thanks for watching.